Hi, my name is Miss Sabrina, and today I'm going to be teaching you the steps for how to brush your teeth. Brushing our teeth is super important for good hygiene. That means we keep ourselves clean and healthy. Now, the best place to brush our teeth is in the bathroom. I'm already here. But do you know what we need to brush our teeth? Do I need a fork, a toothbrush, or a hair comb? Right, I need a toothbrush to be able to brush our teeth. We need a toothbrush and toothpaste to do this life skill. Let's start. Follow along with me. Wait a second. Before I demonstrate on my teeth, I want to show you on a model of a mouth and teeth, because there's so many different spots in our mouth that it can be really hard to know where to brush. So what I'm going to do is show you on here, and then I'm going to show you while I brush my teeth. The way I like to do it is start by brushing the front of my teeth. That's all of these teeth, the top and the bottom. You also want to make sure and brush a little bit higher and a little bit lower so you get it on the gums, because that's also important to health of our teeth. Then I like to do it on the sides and on the other side. And when we brush, we want to try and do little circles. Not hard back and forth, but little circles. After I do all the front, I like to open my mouth and do all my molars. Those are these teeth and the top of my teeth right there. So I brush on the molars, around, and on the other side. I'm doing it pretty quick right now, but you want to make sure and take your time when you're brushing your actual teeth. Then I turn my toothbrush over so I can brush my molars and the top of the top teeth. Do you think I missed any spots? Yeah, I actually did miss the inside of the teeth. See how there are parts we can brush on the inside? So when you're brushing your teeth, you open really wide and you use your toothbrush to get in there and brush the back side of our teeth that's hard to see, and the sides of our molars. I like to do it on the bottom and then all along the top as well. That way we get the whole front of our teeth, the tops of our teeth, and the inside part of our teeth. Okay, now let me show you on my teeth. Let's go. The first step for brushing our teeth is to grab our toothbrush. Then you want to turn on the faucet and wet the top of your toothbrush. These are called the bristles. The next step is to grab your toothpaste. Open the lid. Mine's a twist off top, but yours might look a little different. Use one hand to squeeze a little bit of toothpaste onto the top or the bristles of your toothbrush. Next, you can set the toothbrush down and use your hands to close the toothpaste. Now we're ready to start brushing. I like to start with the front of my teeth. Remember to brush the top and the bottom teeth and go all the way up to the gums, the pink part of your teeth. Then you want to move to the sides of your teeth. I'm starting on the left side. Don't forget to do that circular motion around and around, small little circles. Then I'm going to move to the other side of my mouth, the right side. You can do it in a different order, but it's really important that you get every side of each of your teeth. Once I've done the front and the sides of my teeth, I'm going to open my mouth and do the molars. That's the flat part of the teeth where you chew up a lot of your food. I'm going to do the bottom of my molars on the left and the right. Then I turn my toothbrush over and I do the top molars on the left and the right as well. Make sure you do each side of your teeth for about 10 seconds at least. Now I have to do the back of my teeth. This is really far inside your mouth. I like to do the back sides, then bring it to the back in the front, and then the back on the other side. These are the tricky teeth I showed you on the model. Then we do the same thing on the top. Here you can see me doing the top back of those teeth. Then doing the sides of my top teeth in the back and doing the other side. Then I spit out any toothpaste that's in my mouth. Stick out my tongue and brush my actual tongue. This is where a lot of your bad breath comes from, so we want to make sure to keep our tongue really clean too. Now I'm going to fill up a little cup with water, put some water in my mouth and swish it all around. That means I'm moving it in my mouth but not swallowing it. I spit it out. The last steps are to clean your toothbrush again, make sure there's no toothpaste on there. I like to tap it dry and then set it in a dry place so it's ready to use next time. Then take a look at your beautiful smile. Thank you so much for following along and looking up the steps for how to brush our teeth. I can't wait for you to practice at home and make sure you get all the different sides of your mouth. If you need a visual, please check the description below. Thanks so much. Bye.